Hi and welcome to Mandarin Oriental Hong Kong. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my room on the 20th floor, room 2026, and it's the Lord Litchfield Suite, which is a speciality corner suite with some great views. So, Lord Litchfield was a celebrated photographer who took some of the images in early Mandarin Oriental campaigns, such as this curious shot here, this picture of Brooke Shields there, and lots of other famous people, Marlon Brando, that are documented and depicted throughout the room. So you walk in, big steel cabinet there, some more photography, into the living area. The hotel, I'm filming this in 2023, is celebrating its 60th anniversary this year. It is the Mandarin Oriental flagship. This, it's not an actual warning sign. It's meant to give the sense that you're in a museum-like space as you admire and observe the photographer's various artworks. I don't know if you can see, there's Pele over there. Here is the view. It is a really beautiful summer's day in Hong Kong. You can just about see the Ferris wheel over there. There's Victoria Harbour. This hotel was actually right on the waterfront. So what you're seeing here is reclaimed land. They have a bar downstairs called the Captain's Bar, which reflects the fact that it was right on the water. So that's what it was like 60 years ago. You can see that things have changed a lot since then. Great view over there as well. There's a park just behind that building, various hiking routes as well. So we'll just walk through to the bedroom. It's a one-bedroom suite. Lots more artwork there. I got the lights on, but this is nice and pitch black when you turn them off. It doesn't have a window, but I think that's fine for a bedroom because you've got so much light and space elsewhere in the room. There's a TV you're looking at, more photography. I'll just walk in this way. So you've got full wardrobe space there, plenty of it. All of my rubbish laid out there. There's a safe behind that cabinet. Then walking through here, I shouldn't have that door open, it kind of a bit disruptive. You've got the toilet in this room. You have got your shower, glass on both sides here. If you can see, the diptyque toiletries are refillable. Then you have jewel vanities on either side of this massive bath, which I'll show you properly again in a minute. Amenities in there as well. Let me just close this door to give you the proper bath view. So it has one of the best, biggest bathtubs in the city with this amazing view of Victoria Harbour again. And I'm not a bat person, but that does look very inviting. So you can put the blinds all the way up, I believe, and just soak in the view, literally, as you take in that panorama. And of course, at night, a lot of these buildings are illuminated and look even more beautiful. So there it is, Mandarin Oriental Hong Kong's speciality signature suite, the Lord Litchfield Suite, on the 20th floor of this landmark building, room 2026.